Hello everyone, today I will show you how to lock apps using shortcuts on iPhone iOS 18. And here's how it is done. Open the Shortcuts app. If you don't have it installed, download it from the App Store. Launch Shortcuts and go to the Automation tab. Tap the plus icon at the top. Scroll down and select App. From the options, choose Ease Open and set it to run immediately for instant app locking. Tap Choose in the top corner to select the app you want to lock, such as Photos. Once selected, tap Done, and then Next. On the next page, tap New Blank Automation and select Add Action. Search for lock screen and select it when it appears. Tap Done to finalize the automation. Now, every time you open the selected app like Photos, your iPhone will instantly return to the lock screen, keeping the app secure. And that is everything you need to know about how to lock apps using shortcuts on iPhone iOS 18. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.